There once was a mom who was trying to talk on the phone,
Hello? Hello?
but she couldn't hear anything because WH brother was trying to whistle while making the sound wah, 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 wah. And CH brother was saying cha, 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 cha while he was playing with his choo-choo train. And TH brother, the naughtiest brother, was sticking out his tongue while making the noise th, th, th. SH brother saw his mom couldn't hear anything on the phone, so he said shh to his brothers. And mom was able to finish her conversation in peace.